All right, good morning, guys. We are at our latest flip, the Chisholm Flip. We bought this house this week. This is day one, demo day. So come check out what we got. No soliciting. Check out this guy. He was kind enough not only to sell us his house, but he left all his belongings for us too. So we got a mattress. I don't even have to go home. I can just sleep here after I work. We got, oh man, all kinds of stuff. Some birdhouses. We got a few bricks, cigarette butts. Come check it out. Here's the kitchen. We got plenty of dishes to cook with. A little leak to deal with over here. The garage is full. That'll be fun. Good thing we put a dumpster in the front. Let me go show you the rest. It's a 3-2 small house, about 1,300 square feet. It was built in 1977. Let's see what else we got. This guy is kind enough to leave us some trash bags and some other things. We got small bathrooms in this house, but you can't have everything when you're only 1,300 square feet. Check this out. Even got a swim trunk. Yeah, baby. Some cowboy hats. We're excited to get started. Follow us on this journey over the next couple months. I promise you it'll look better when we're done with it.